Cancer. Spirit has an important message for you. An unexpected blessing is moving into your life, one that may shift your path, open new doors, or bring clarity and growth where you didn't see it coming. Even if recent times have felt heavy, uncertain, or stagnant, the universe is orchestrating events that are perfectly aligned to support your personal and emotional development. Energy is quietly building around you, preparing the way for opportunities, insights, or connections that carry long-term benefits. Spirit is asking you to stay alert, receptive, and patient because the blessing may arrive in subtle or surprising ways. A conversation, an insight, or an unforeseen opportunity that initially seems small but holds great significance. This reading is about awareness, timing, and alignment. Cancer, your intuition, emotional intelligence, and sensitivity are your strongest tools in noticing the subtle signs, recognizing patterns, and fully receiving what Spirit is bringing your way. By combining discernment with openness, you position yourself to receive the full impact of this blessing. The first card is Divine Timing. Divine timing shows that this blessing is appearing precisely when it is meant to, even if it feels sudden or unexpected. Spirit is emphasizing that everything unfolds in perfect alignment, and the timing ensures maximum benefit. At a deeper layer, this card highlights patience. Even if you've been waiting or feeling stuck, Spirit is orchestrating everything to arrive at the moment when it can have the greatest impact. Trusting the process is essential. This card also encourages noticing synchronicities. Subtle signs, intuitive nudges, or chance encounters may appear, guiding you toward the blessing and helping you recognize it when it arrives. Spirit's message is clear. Trust the timing. Stay attentive and welcome the blessings as they unfold naturally. The second card is Unexpected Opportunities. Unexpected opportunities signals that new blessings may appear through surprises, changes, or situations you hadn't anticipated. Spirit is showing that openings, ideas, or connections may come in ways that feel sudden, but hold the potential for significant growth. At a deeper layer, this card emphasizes flexibility. Being willing to explore new paths or unconventional ideas allows you to fully embrace the blessing. Resistance or hesitation may delay its manifestation. This card also encourages courage. Even if an opportunity seems uncertain or unfamiliar, stepping forward can lead to outcomes beyond your imagination. Spirit's guidance is clear. Remain alert, trust your instincts, and act when these opportunities present themselves. They are channels through which the blessing flows. The third card is Gratitude. Gratitude reminds you that acknowledging even small blessings increases their power and attracts more positivity into your life. Spirit is highlighting that appreciation and recognition of what you already have strengthen your connection to the flow of abundance. At a deeper layer, this card emphasizes emotional alignment. Feeling genuine gratitude opens your heart and allows the blessing to integrate smoothly into your life. This card also encourages reflection. Recognizing how past challenges or experiences prepared you for this moment reinforces trust in the universe and awareness of divine orchestration. Spirit's message is clear. Gratitude amplifies blessings. Embrace the present, notice abundance, and let this awareness attract more positive energy into your life. The fourth card is Inner Guidance. Inner guidance represents the intuitive wisdom and inner knowing that will help you navigate this blessing. Spirit is showing that listening to your gut feelings, dreams, and subtle nudges ensures that you make aligned decisions and maximize the blessing's potential. At a deeper layer, this card emphasizes self-trust. Believing in your judgment and insights empowers you to recognize and receive the blessing fully. Doubt or overthinking can obscure the path. This card also encourages reflection and stillness. Taking time to center yourself, connect with your inner guidance, and consider your options ensures that your actions are deliberate and aligned with Spirit's intention. Spirit's message is clear. Trust your inner guidance. It is your compass for recognizing, receiving, and making the most of the unexpected blessing in your life. The fifth card is Abundance Flow. Abundance flow signals that the unexpected blessing coming into your life carries the energy of growth, prosperity, and expansion. Spirit is showing that this is not a fleeting gift. It has the potential to bring lasting benefits in multiple areas of your life, from financial stability to emotional fulfillment and spiritual alignment. At a deeper layer, this card emphasizes receptivity. To allow the blessing to manifest fully, you must remain open to receiving it. Resistance, doubt, or hesitation can limit its impact, while trust and acceptance amplify its energy and integration. This card also encourages awareness of cycles. Blessings often arrive in stages, and small intentional actions now build a foundation for long-term results. Recognizing these incremental gains strengthens your connection to Spirit's flow. Spirit's message is clear. Welcome abundance with an open heart. Let it flow naturally, and align your actions to maximize its positive effect. The sixth card is Clarity of Path. Clarity of path represents insight, understanding, and knowing which direction to take with this blessing. Spirit is showing that discernment is essential. Recognizing which opportunities align with your goals ensures that the blessing becomes lasting and transformative rather than fleeting. At a deeper layer, this card emphasizes reflection. Taking time to assess options, consider consequences, and listen to your inner guidance strengthens your decisions and increases the blessing's impact. This card also encourages decisiveness. Once clarity emerges, committing fully allows you to harness the energy and potential of blessing efficiently. Spirit's guidance is clear. See your path with precision, act confidently, and make choices aligned with your long-term vision to fully embrace this unexpected gift. The seventh card is Momentum. Momentum signals acceleration and forward movement. Spirit is showing that once you engage with this blessing, the energy will grow quickly, amplifying your progress and expanding opportunities. Each intentional step you take now compounds over time, creating a trajectory toward meaningful results. At a deeper layer, this card emphasizes persistence. Even if progress feels slow at first, consistent effort ensures that the blessing continues to unfold in significant and lasting ways. Small, deliberate actions build the foundation for long-term success. This card also encourages adaptability. As new opportunities or circumstances emerge, staying flexible while maintaining focus ensures that momentum carries you forward, allowing the blessing to reach its full potential. Spirit's message is clear. Take consistent, aligned action, remain adaptable, and let the energy of this blessing build and expand in your life. The eighth and final card is Bright Horizons. Bright Horizons represents long-term outcomes, expansion, and the lasting impact of this unexpected blessing. Spirit is showing that the energy arriving now is not temporary. It creates a foundation for growth, fulfillment, and opportunities that will ripple across multiple areas of your life. At a deeper layer, this card emphasizes vision and optimism. Seeing beyond immediate effects helps you make choices that support continued prosperity and integration of this blessing into your life. This card also encourages reflection and gratitude. Recognizing how far you've come, appreciating the support around you, and celebrating achievements ensures that the energy continues to expand and attract even more blessings. Spirit's message is clear. Your path is opening, your efforts are supported, and this unexpected blessing can bring lasting joy, prosperity, and alignment when embraced fully and consciously. Affirmation for you: I welcome unexpected blessings into my life with trust, openness, and gratitude. I embrace abundance, growth, and joy in every form. Cancer. Personal readings start at $9, and a $99 monthly membership gives unlimited guidance for 30 days.